What is up, everybody? So, just getting this engine bay cleaned out. I'm about to hook up my ostrich and get to tuning. Hell yeah, let's get it. All right, so where would we be without the proper unboxing? Holy fucking skull. So, got the ostrich here. Nice little sealed up dealy bopper. USB cable, little serial cable, ostrich unit itself. There we go. Hell yeah, Ostrich 2.0. Badass. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna get this plugged in and check in with you guys in just a few seconds. Okay, that didn't work. I need to charge my battery. Alright, now there's no daylight. Tight. No check engine light. 14.7. Alright, after some adjustments, it's idling, 14.6, 14.7. I've only worked on just the idle now, but that seems to be all right. Just for shits and giggles, let's give it a little rev. Idle return. One more. RPM limit, what the hell? Had damn launch control turned on. Let's try that again. What the hell? Gonna have to sort this one out. Still hitting launch control. Alright. Alrighty, yo, so that's pretty much where I'm gonna stop today. I need to figure out why I'm still hitting a rev limiter two-step at 5,000 RPMs. Anyway, yeah, so good, successful first mission. Got it to idle, got a nice little base map going, and then we can start fucking with everything else. So I'm gonna get this battery pack charged back up and get this edited and check in with you guys in a few days. All right, peace.